Best Internet Marketing Solutions Without Overspending.
The Internet has made this world an open enterprise. It has become important for companies to further expand their market and their consumer targets. Engaging to Internet marketing may be a risk for people who wish to be involved with this type of business. Ensure that most of your target consumers will surely acquire your product. Consider the best products which will definitely capture their interests and needs. This means that you need to identify specifically who these people are, their location and financial level in the society. Have a marketing knowledge and skill to achieve your goal in the field of Internet marketing. At the present, you can use varied Internet marketing solutions that is being offered by companies, which can be your tool for support to your consumers. This solution may be email marketing, search engine optimization, or creating web pages or sites. Since you need to maximize your return profit, you need to choose Internet marketing solutions that will help you achieve this. These marketing techniques will not cost much since they are very self-explanatory, thus, learned easily. Email marketing is a common Internet marketing solution. This is a cost-effective way of communicating and interacting to your consumers, driving them to visit your website and check out your products. It may be in a way of marketing articles, leading them to forums or newsletters. A newsletter has an advantage of expanding your consumers as more and more sign up on it until you can have a bulk list of emails. Another great Internet marketing solution is through websites. This is a good promotion strategy to employ since you can display all the necessary information for your target consumers. The website should capture their interest and be complete since every transaction, from inquiry to payments, may take place. All correspondence that will be done online must be well facilitated by the features of your website. Another Internet marketing solution is search engine optimization. This is a type of service for your website that you can make use of in order to raise the number of visitors to your site. Once a consumer uses a search engine, your website will rank high in the list of searches, which in return will increase your site's traffic. Considering these Internet marketing solutions, there are different companies offering software products containing one or all of these solutions. It would be a great opportunity to try one of these, which will match your financial capability and expected return profit.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.